Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be reviewing the latest gears we have in Plants vs. Brainrots. So the first one we got was this Temporal Canister. I think that's a gear. And the other one is the bee launcher. So you are able to get it from submitting seeds here. So you can't buy it from the gear shop. So for the bee launcher, this is what it does. I'm just going to press it once. And it's going to stun basically a brain rot, I guess, that comes this way. You have like 10 bullets. And for the temporal canister, let's throw it here. It stuns it too, I guess. Ooh, that's pretty cool. The first I've seen that. And yeah, those are the latest gears we have in Plants vs. Brainrots. So I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!